Hi traders, it's Umar and DG back again. This is a new one actually. There are a lot of changes that I was able to do. Like number one thing that I've done is like reducing my peers. That's the peers that I'm watching on my watch list. And the reason for that is because I have my eyes on a lot of peers, if you can see from the previous video that I dropped. And I am trying to like back test and all those kind of stuff and even watching out for the trades. It's just kind of like very hard for me, so I decided to reduce my pairs, which is the best thing to do. I've reduced the pairs to 3 pairs only. I'm going to be looking out for 3 pairs only, and I'm going to show you in the screen right later. I've also added DXY to my trading watch list as well, so that I can be using it as an indicator. I'm still working on it too. I've not yet added it, but like I'm still watching it, just like a setup that I'm watching out for, which I'm seeing the DXY doing something different, and the Euro USD is also giving me another signal, and I'm going to show you guys that one. So just to tell you, yeah, I've reduced my pairs. I'm watching only 3 pairs right now, and yeah, I'm watching the DXY. So let's go to the screen and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is me on the screen, guys. As you can see, I just have AUD USD, Euro USD, and USD card, and then the DXY, of course, that I'm talking about. All right, so these are the main pairs actually that I'm kind of watching these days, and the reason is because the reason why I chose these pairs, of course, AUD USD was the pair that I was looking out for, when I was day trading and all stuff like that, and Euro USD as well. GBP USD, I kind of look at GBP USD then, but then I just swapped, and it wasn't really kind of good for me, so I just decided to change. But AUD USD and Euro USD has been giving me some good moves, good money before then when I was day trading in the market. And like I've been seeing positions and all those kind of things. You can even see that I have some documentations of note based on my previous strategy right here on Euro USD, and same goes for the AUD USD as well. You can see that AUD USD, you can see that. So it's kind of like they're kind of like pairs that I've been putting my eyes on for a very long time. I know the way they move. So the only new one is the USD card, and the USD card is somehow doing inverse to what these pairs are doing, but also corresponding to the USD section, which is the DXY, right? As you can see right here, the DXY is kind of bullish, definitely. You can see that it's moving up, and the USD card is also moving all the way to the top side, which makes it more kind of like part of it. And then as I told you, AUD USD and Euro USD were the kind of pairs that I've been watching through. So I was like, okay, now that I want to change or go back to only 3 pairs, why would I go back and start looking at other pairs? Though Euro JPY as well was part of it, the pairs that I was trading before. But like I said, okay, let me just reduce it, capital and all those kind of stuffs. So like this, less volatile definitely, but I'm going to have them being, my personal kind of pairs as well. So that is why I'm also looking at this. So what I'll do is right now we'll go and I'll break down the pairs for you guys. So on AUD USD, I've dropped this analysis also on the VIP team or whatever. So what I've watched is that on the monthly time frame, I don't really need to go to the monthly time frame because there's not a lot that has been happening here. It's just the psychological range and stuff. So you can see that I'm having a little bit of bullish movement, which I know that the market is just dropping drastically, which you can see right here. So definitely we would see an retracement. We would see a retracement in the market on the monthly time frame. And we'll go to the daily time frame as well. You could see that we are also having a kind of like movement all the way to the top side. So what I'm anticipating right here, after drawing my trend line, it was actually on the 4 hours time frame that I drew this trend line. There is no much going on here, so I'm just waiting for the market to come all over to this trend line, or either if it just goes continue moving up, I will decide or consider shorting from here, depending on the kind of like moves that I see. But the main one is that's for AUD USD, and Euro USD is on my trend line zone. Before the trend line was around here, so it broke it, and now this is a psychological level, and then I'm seeing a reversal, kind of like entry pattern here. And also it was drawn on the 4 hours right here. You can see that It was drawn on the 4 hours, and I'm waiting for it to give me some signal. So it's already on the zone. We are just putting our eyes on here to see. If I have anything like a bearish engulfing candle pattern, I'm definitely entering. If I was using the 1 hour time frame, it's already telling me to enter the market. You can see this is this star pattern that they call evening star or whatever. You know, me, I don't really, one thing that I want to tell you guys is, when it comes to this candlesticks or theory of the market, the basic thing is for you to know how it works. It's not just about knowing the name. You can even give it another name, right? You can see that this is our sign already for you to enter the market, but like I just want to be consistent with the 4 hours. So yeah, I want to be consistent with the 4 hours for my entry. All right, so I would like to see a bearish engulfing candle pattern right here. All right, of course this candle looks like it has broken this level, but it's still not broken this level. So I've already sent the coordinates and everything. So that's just what I'm waiting for you on this Euro USD. And the same goes for the USD card. USD card is like just if you can see USD card and Euro USD, USD card and AUD USD are doing almost similar. This almost the same thing. Like there is no entry. That's what I mean. So USD card is in a range, right? It's in a range which it's more obvious if you come to the daily time frame. I was expecting the market, if it continues going up, like it didn't come back to retrace on this level, it will just go and hit the psychological level, and it's definitely going down. If we go to the monthly time frame, sorry, my bad, not that definitely, but this is a very strong level. This is a very good psychological level that the market has been dropping off. You can see this for a very long time. So there is possibilities that this market will just drop from this level, right? That is what I'm anticipating, because this is a zone that is very strong, and due to this consolidation, I don't know, we are anticipating, but what I'm just putting my eyes on is that for now, if the market will come all the way to this level, that is this zone, this support, I'm definitely going to buy. All right, or if it comes to this level or this zone, if it comes to this zone, I'm not gonna sell, because right now you can see that I'm going to go on to this top of the consolidation definitely. So if the market gives me a reversal setup around here, which is this box, around this level, definitely I'm shorting. All right, I might not probably wait for it to, I might not really take position here. I would love to see it around here. So that's all. So the basic pair that I'm looking out for is Euro USD right now. Like Euro USD is the main one that I'm looking out for. And if you can see that on the DXY, you can see we are having this bullish momentum right here, that the market is already going up. I know we can have a little bit of issues when the market comes to this level, right, which is about, let me see from here, where is about 400 pips. So I'm not saying that the same pips that DXY gives is the same pips that we will get on Euro USD or other pairs, but like it's already on this very good psychological level of 1.07. You can see that it's a very good psychological level that the market has been rejecting for a very long time. So yeah, since it's bullish, it has already rejected on the 4 hours time frame. It's already moving all the way up, so that means things are good. And you can see the other pairs like USD pairs, this is moving up already, so definitely I can bank on moving up if Euro USD give me a signal. So one thing that I also want you guys to, I think that's all about the chart. So one thing that I really want you guys to understand is, and one thing that I feel like I'm good at, the patience of waiting for the setup on the 4 hours time frame is something, because you see that the DXY is already telling me that okay, this is a zone, this is a whatsoever, and 1 hour time frame as well is already telling me that okay, there's a signal, enter this. But I just want to have a confirmation on the 4 hours time frame. I just want to have a confirmation on the 4 hours time frame. So that is why I'm literally waiting. So that's the only thing that is making me wait right now. And waiting for the, even though everything is aligning, like the DXY psychological level, trend line, and also I'm seeing the 1 hour time frame giving me a confirmation, even though I don't take my confirmation entries on the 1 hour time frame. But like right now I'm seeing 3. So only thing that I'm waiting for is just like 4, the fourth thing, which is the candlestick confirmation, which if I see it, I'm definitely going to take this trade, period. Yes, so I'll update you guys on the trade probably next week. So if you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe.